Alright, hey guys. As you're aware, we just put in a solid state hard drive. There's a couple things that I want to change on my setup. I already have changed quite a bit, and then once I put it together, I decided I didn't like it again. As you can see, I moved these monitors over to the left, and I really do like it there. However, I want to put these back over here, and I want to open that spot up for a few things. I want it to be empty when I remove my laptop, make it easy to get to everything. And I also want to go through and edit down here. As you can see, the computer does not fit with the Ottoman that we built. I also have it sitting on top of this so that way it can get to the cords without being messed up. What we're going to do today is we're going to open up a section and modify this piece here. What this will end up doing is allowing us to go ahead and slide the computer inside this frame. I'm going to try to build a shelf, and I'm hoping that the shelf will work to fit one of my external hard drives on it sitting upright. If my math's right, it's going to be tight, and it all depends on if my math was right before. Probably wasn't. Alright, so here we have the computer sitting right in front of the shelf. I want to mark where we're going to do it, and I got it a little bit from the edge here. I need it to be at minimum right here, so I will probably go right here. That'll give me a decent amount of range, and I'm going to put a circle at the top so I know. We'll put it right there. I think we should be alright with that. With that being said, I also have my hard drive that I want to put on top. I don't want to put it on top of the computer like this, but I think I should have plenty of room there. So I have two of these that I want to put in here, and I think it would be really cool to have them next to each other. Maybe get a third one just to, you know, really make it look nice. So, alright, now we're actually going to go to the garage. Alright guys, as you can see, we're back in the garage. What I did off camera was I put a line right here. This is a little taller than the desktop. What we're going to do is we're going to take this board, we're going to put it here, I'm going to cut it down. That'll give support on both sides for the project. And then we're going to take this board and put it right here. Now some people are probably going to say, hey, you're going to have a huge gap between these. And the truth is, I will actually have this mounted right there. So depending on how much gets cut off of this, I may just mount it right on top with that little piece. But the plan is to create a shelf here. If I have to put a wall, I'll put a wall. Alright, let's get to cutting. Ooh, a little kick back there. Alright, I'll pull the screws out of this. One side of this is square. In cases like this, you need a clamp. Okay, back to it. Again, we're not looking for pretty. This is going back under a desk. Keyword back under a desk. So, now put that there. Drill this in. So that's done. Ooh, scusi. So we're going to take this piece, we're going to put it right here. It's going to be on the inside, or the outside rather, but it'll be there. So we're at 11.5 inches. That's so what we're going to do is we're going to do a trick where we go on an angle, and that should work, but first I'm going to go in through the top. Secure this. Feel the battery dying on me, so I gotta make this quick. Yeah, it's not exact, but it'll work. Didn't poke out the side, so. Oh, that's really tight. The board's not perfectly square, but it'll work. So we want this to go. I'm gonna put one screw in. Alright, now because this is just holding hard drives, two screws should be enough. Again, this is not made to be pretty, it's just made to be functional. Alright, let's take it in. Hey guys, we just got it in. You can see how shitty it looks, but again, it's under the desk, who cares? Now is the moment of truth. I'm going to try to see if the computer will fit. Oh, like a glove. Now it does get a little bit tight on the front, but you can see I pushed it back all the way. It's obviously not going to be sitting back all the way. The biggest thing is that this is probably going to be right about here, and you can see that gap. I just wanted to be able to close the closet doors and have those wires protected. I'm not kicking them, flicking them like I was. The solution I had before was very short term. The next part is, will this fit? And it does, and I can actually fit two of them in there. My guess is that I could probably fit two, maybe three more. So I think this was a success. It is bigger on the side here, and there is a reason for that. Obviously you don't want it to be too tight. I don't want to have it enclosed around any of the air. Yeah, it looks like shit, but it works, and we're about function. Alright, if you guys like this video, again, you're a weirdo, but if you liked it, hit the bell notification, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit all of the buttons that you can, as long as they're positive. Don't hit that dislike. I'll find you. Leave a comment on some project that you've been thinking about. I'm thinking about jumping into another wishing well. As you guys saw how great that turned out in episodes 1, 2, and 3. yeah, go ahead and check it out, and you know, have a great day, have some fun, go out there. See you later.